Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole and welcome to another Halloweek. I'm pretty sure this is Halloweek day 5. So we are so close to being done and I'm so excited that I actually made it this far. But yeah, so I have been in my apartment all day filming, editing, literally catching up on Halloweek and my mental health. I have been on go all this week and I'm slowly mentally catching up to where my body is going. So either way, I'm definitely starting this vlog a lot later than I wanted to, but that is okay because I haven't really done much today and I have a lot planned. I figured I would take you all along with me. The post office is about to close. I need to go send off these boo baskets. It has been on my to-do list literally all week. So I'm about to go do that. I also need to go pick up the baked goods that I ordered in Halloweek day 1. I still have not picked those up and they've been calling me. So I need to go pick those up, finish that boo basket, send that off. Literally, I have so much to do. I also have not eaten an actual meal today. I've been eating cupcakes and that's not good. So I need to go get an actual meal and literally go breathe some fresh air. I'm also waiting on my video to export so I can upload that. And yeah, so I'm kind of all over the place, but I also need to get dressed because it's fall and this is a fall based video. So yes, I need to get dressed. And if I have enough time, I want to do some type of fall activity today. I don't really know what I want to do today, but I'm vlogging and that's that. So yes, if whatever this vlog turns into is something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So this is exporting right now. If you're caught up on my Halloween videos, then you have already seen this video. And my apartment is a hot mess from that video. Okay, I have 2 or 3 really quick stops that I need to make. And I'm rushing because I don't know what time the little bakery or whatever, oh my goodness, the street is closed. I don't know what time the bakery closes, but I do know the post office closes in like 30 minutes. Okay, the road is closed and literally everybody is making U-turns right now. But actually, I think I should go to the post office first, then to the bakery. I think I have time. I don't even know why I'm stressing out because the post office is like what, a minute away from me and the bakery is a minute away as well. Like I'm almost I can see the post office. I don't even know why I'm tripping out right now, but I also want to give you guys an OOTD. I love my sweatpants days and that's what I have on right now. And I also need to go grocery shopping. So we have a few errands to run today, a little errands vlog, and I'm so excited about that. Okay, hold on. Post office, I'm at the post office. I got the boxes, and fun fact, they close at 4:30 now. Like Monday through Friday, they close at 4:30. I'm so shook. But they were so nice. They helped me out, and I'm about to drop this stuff out on it. First of all, did you know boxes from the post office were free? What? Yeah, they're free. You just gotta pay for the shipping, like when you ship them off. But like, you pay for shipping with everything. What? That is crazy. I did not know that. The more you learn, the more you know. Anyways, so now let's go to the bakery. Hopefully they're still open. I'm hoping they don't close at 4:30. It is 4:38. I didn't hold them that much longer. They were still in there and very helpful. Yes. And the boxes are like the perfect size, I think. I'm pretty sure. It's gonna be so cute. Stop. It's gonna be so cute. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to mail it off tomorrow morning though. I literally keep pushing it off, but I mean, I'm not pushing it off. I just keep having other things that I need to do before mailing this off. But it's okay because I'm literally doing overnight shipping. So everybody's going to get their boo box before Halloween. Everybody's gonna get their package, okay? I don't know why I have all this energy, probably because I have 4 cupcakes today and a few donuts, and that's pretty much all I've eaten. Actually, that is all I've eaten. So I need to get like some real food in me, and I just want to know why they have all these roads closed off. Like, I think there's like a festival or parade or concert or something. There's always something happening here. Yeah, like that road is closed off. What in the world? Hi, good, how are you? Thank you. Okay, so I went in there and I was supposed to pick up my order last Saturday. Now, the I'm so embarrassed. The macaroons went stale, so now they're making me fresh macaroons. And they tossed out the stale ones. They're making fresh ones. They won't be ready until tomorrow morning. So, or they won't be available until tomorrow morning. So I will be picking those up first thing in the morning, but I will go ahead and make the rest of the boxes and go ahead and basically just have those ready to be shipped off. And yeah, so that will help me out a lot. So I'm gonna make the rest of the boxes tonight, and I'm probably going to, actually I'm definitely going to do that after my, what am I about to do? Oh, after I run errands. I'm gonna go run errands now before it gets dark, and then while it's dark I'll be in my apartment with the light and I can actually make the boxes and have those ready to be shipped off, and I'll ship off and make the very last one tomorrow morning. But this is all over the place. I cannot. All right, I am out of Walmart now, and I got some more boxes first of all, which you can kind of see back there, not really because of the sun, but I'm so shocked that it's not like dark yet. I'm very happy about that. It's almost 6 o'clock now, and leaving Walmart. Now I need to go to Dollar Tree to pick up a few things, or no, to go see if I can find one thing. I don't really know where I'm going after that. Maybe to pick up some dinner. That sounds like a good plan, because like I said, I've not eaten all day today. So that's so bad. It's actually very bad. I actually probably should get something to eat before going to the dollar store. And Chick-fil-A's right there, but I really don't want Chick-fil-A. I just don't know what I want. I don't know if I told you all, but I'm first off, I'm using the camera to watch the eggs back there. I really hope that doesn't fall. But I don't know if I told you all, but I am trying to get, maybe I can get some Taco Bell. Actually, I think I am going to get Taco Bell. Could I please do the 3 soft taco supreme? Thank you. Thank you so much. You too. Okay, so it's starting to get dark now, so it'll probably be very dark soon. I just need to go to Dollar Tree. I'm actually very surprised there were even any boxes left, because Halloween is literally right around the corner. But now, this is what I have so far. I got some candy for myself. I always get candy for myself. But I also got this one just in case. Like, it's smaller than it looks, but just in case what I'm getting doesn't fit. And now I'm looking for like the mailing section so I can get more bubble wrap, more tape. Okay, I'm leaving Five Below now. Actually, I went in there and grabbed something else that was not on my list, but now I am going home, which I'm very excited about because I can eat my tacos. Where in the world did I park? Oh, all the way down there. Anyways, yes, I am going home. Very excited to eat my tacos and to make these boo baskets and to finally have them able to be shipped off. All right, I'm back in my apartment now. Obviously, that took a minute because there was a parade or whatever. Like when I was saying the roads were closed when I was leaving, it's because they were closing it because there would be a parade, and I did not know. And they had like all the roads blocked off. Now I get to put together the basket. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to use these boxes instead of the ones I got from the post office because I think it would be cheaper. And I already paid for these boxes. So the bottom of the box is taped. I put 3 layers of tape on here, so it should be good and secure. I was thinking I would put it in here like this, and it'll be cute. And then I'm going to wrap the inside of the box with bubble wrap. Okay, so I put bubble wrap all in the inside of the box, and I taped it down so it's not going anywhere. Now I can take this box and place it in here. This is how it's laying in the box. And I'm going to put bubble wrap on top of this as well. Okay, and now you guys get to watch me speed through making the other ones. You guys, I'm about to watch this. All niggas, skirt up, all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Need a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or 2, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you don't? Okay, so all of the boxes, except for the bigger box, is full, and they all have bubble wrap in them and everything, and I just need to put more bubble wrap around the sides of the boxes. And then put like the little note in there.
You know better, you know better, you groove better than you do. Just call me looking for.
And last but not least, to make sure everything is tight, I'm going to cut some of this and stuff it on the side of each basket, because this is what the baskets are looking like right now, but like there's space over here and I kind of don't want it to be. So I'll just stuff it here, here, and here in every single basket.
We do whatever we want, love whatever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need, it's about love,
All right, I am all done stuffing every single one. As you can see, the boo basket is not moving, which is exactly what I wanted. So perfect. And now I can write boo on here and tape it to the top of the bubble wrap that's on the basket and put the bat in there and seal them up. Actually, I just made things harder on myself because instead of writing on the sticky note, I kind of want to write it on the actual box and then close it up. That would be so cute. But I just don't know if I have the penmanship for this. All right, here's the first one. I think it's cute. So these are the two styles that I'm going with. Some of them will have this, some of them will have that. But yes, I think it's so cute. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other baskets.
Long as we got, should never give you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got a fetish. You got a problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Think on beaches. Do it for fun.
I don't know what I was so scared of. I think they all turned out so cute. And I love them. And yes, I'm so happy. I also had to put like some initials on who is going to who because I literally cannot remember. And I've been covering the actual signature with like little ghosts. So yeah, I can't remember. And now I'm all done and I will be shipping these off tomorrow. And I'm so glad I finally got this done. I'm so happy to finally be done. I have no idea how much it will be to ship all of these off. My guess is probably around $5 a box. These aren't heavy. These are actually very light. So my guess is probably around $5 a box, maybe. Probably less, honestly. They aren't heavy at all. They're all really light. So yeah, now I'm just going to throw these bats in here. And then when I mail them out, I will take the sticky note out. But yes, and I'm so glad to finally be done. So that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you actually want to see me mail these off, then stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye, guys.